Good day, everyone. I'm Ola May, and welcome to my channel. Today we have another Coach unboxing, and I waited patiently for this delivery, and I also had to wait to actually unbox it because I wanted to unbox it with you all. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up, and we can take a look to see what's inside. I hope you all have been enjoying my channel. If this is your first time watching my videos, welcome to my channel. And if you like what you see, feel free to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you are made aware each time I upload a video. And to all of my returning subscribers and viewers, thank you so much for watching. Thank you everyone for watching, commenting, liking, and sharing. I really do appreciate it. Oh, looks like I have a thank you note. Let's see. So I did have a little cute thank you in there. And it looks like I have some Coach tissue or gift tissue paper. So, let's see, y'all. I probably will start with the box first. Let me make sure nothing else is in the box. And we are clear. All right. So, starting with the box first. Oh, they put them both in here together. So, y'all, this wallet right here, I have been looking for. I actually was looking for the purse in this print. So this is the red signature. I believe it's called the patent signature. So I'm not sure what the MD that stands for, but patent signature in red is what it's called. As you see, it does have the signature C's there with the Coach New York solid patent snap button closure. Let's see, it has 1, 2, 3, 4 card slots on each side, so 8 there, and a place for bills or cash, and then a compartment under each side, and then on this other side, and this is for those who don't already know the setup of this wallet. I'm sure a lot of you already do. This is a zip. So you can put anything in there that fits. This looks like, oh, so it comes with like a little cloth, I guess, to keep it clean. Because it's patent and it can pick up on fingerprints. So that's neat to see. All right. And then I also was able to find, oh my goodness, this was another one that was hard to track down. This matches my Aria crossbody bag. It's I believe it's a hobo and a crossbody. So this is in the signature or the Jacquard print or canvas. And it does have the khaki saddle multi there. I don't know why this color was so, or color combination is so hard to find, but it was. So it looks like they put, I guess that's part of the hang tag inside for it. Unless that was just placed there to help the wallet keep its shape. Interesting. But y'all, yes, this matches my Aria, so I will surely share this with the purse once I actually switch into it. And let me get the zipper back around. Don't tell me it's hung. And just in case I didn't say, it looks like it's 1 card slot here for your ID, 2 card slots there, and then a section for your bills. And it does have the Coach stamp, Coach New York stamp there. But back to this zipper that looks like it's stuck. There we go. Just had to do a little wiggle and it was free. Okay. So that was those two. They did put them in this cute Coach box, which I had not seen before with the packaging. And then clearly one of these has to match this. So it looks like they did wrap this up somewhat. And they put a Coach sticker on it. So that's definitely a nice touch. And it has the Coach tissue gift paper as well. Alrighty. So, as you see, this does match the wallet. So this is a Klare. Does it have Klare on there? Yes, it does. So it has Klare right there. And the color red does, bright red. So this was also hard to locate as well because most of the ones that I saw in person, the full purse was a solid patent, but I wanted the purse to actually have the signature C's on it as well, which of course matched the wallet. So the entire layout of the wallet actually matches the purse because the wallet also has a smooth patent closure on it as well. So I thought this was really cute. It can be carried as a crossbody, and then with the chain adjustment, I believe it can be carried as a hobo or a clutch as well. And you can see the full chain adjustment there. And it does have the red patent at the top of the strap or chain that would actually go over your shoulder, or that you would hold in your hand if you shorten it. So I'm going to have to play with this some to kind of see how many different ways I can carry it with this chain. I'm sure that's the way it could just go on the shoulder, but I'm pretty sure I can shorten it or carry it a different way outside of just putting the full chain inside of the bag and just carrying it, like I said, as a clutch, just like this with the chain kind of hidden away. But let's take a look on the inside. As you see, it does have the snap button closure. And let me move the wallet out of the way. Okay, so the back pocket, the back slip pocket with the Coach. So they also included a wipe here as well. And this looks like just the wipe that you get with like your eyeglass case to clean the lens. That's what it looks like, a very soft cloth. And in addition to that slip pocket there's a compartment here. And then a divider with a compartment here. And then a zipper compartment. And then a compartment in front of that. So this purse has, in addition to, I guess I can count the slip pocket. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 compartments in this purse. And it is, I would say it's a small purse. And it does have a back pocket on the back as well. But all in all, I think it's a very cute purse. I will do some quick measurements for you because this does come in a smaller version. I believe it's called a mini Klare. But just to look at them, the two together, and then I will do the measurements for it as well. Isn't that a cute set, y'all? Let me get my measuring tape. As I get my measuring tape, I did want to show you all just the thank you that they sent with the little Coach on it. Said thank you for your purchase. That's definitely a cute little added touch as well. Now to the measurements. Okay, just for the quick measurements, I have my measuring tape, and let's see. So the base, it looks like it is about 8 inches across the bottom. The height itself looks like that's at 6 inches. So 8 by 6. I would say these are small dimensions for this to be for it to have so many compartments. So the width, you can't really get a true size width because it does expand out. So even though it says 3 as the width, as you saw the pockets itself, you can put a lot in here and still button it up. So I'll at least put the wallet inside. And let's see how it does with just the wallet. Buttons up just fine. You can see it kind of expanded out a little bit, but even so, it looks like it still can hold a good amount, and it is considered more of a dressy purse, so it's not really going to be packed much anyway. Let's see if it can fit in this pocket. No, I wouldn't put it there. It's too thick. So back here would be the good place for the actual wallet itself. And then phone and anything else I would want to put in the zipper and the front compartment I can. So just to give you a close-up of it, I do see what kind of looks like a scuff right there. So I'm going to ask the store about that, because I know how sensitive patents are. Oh, wait a minute, y'all. It looks like it might be rubbing off. But that's not really going anywhere. So I am really going to, and I can see it looks like that's picking up pretty well on video. I'm going to rub it to be sure that's not just glue or something. If that's an actual scuff or a streak, then I will have to exchange it. But this is just a close-up of it. And this did come again from a store. I believe it was sold out online. Here's something else, y'all. You have to be careful with patent because it's pretty sensitive. I don't like that, y'all. So I am definitely going to take the cloth and rub it around to see if I can get these scuffs out. And then, of course, double check with the store to see if they have any more. If I can't get everything out, and exchange it. See, that rubbed off with no problem. Yeah. So I'll have to take time and look it over even closer, but you all got to see it up close. The pretty patent signature. The wallet looked okay. Let me double check the wallet. So just to be sure. So the wallet looks okay. It's just the purse looks like it's been handled a bit. So I will definitely look further into that. And really just go from there. Hopefully, like I said, it is easily resolved. But we shall see. But this is it, y'all. This was my unboxing from the Coach store that I received. And I don't have my Aria in here, but this is the mate for it. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And thank you so much for watching, liking, commenting, subscribing, and sharing. I really do appreciate it, you all. So I'll see you all in my next video. And as always, have a very wonderful day.